Hello and welcome to part 2 of the anniversary special call. Yes, in this call, we will be looking at our journey forward. Yes, so it's all about what's next and what's in store for year 3. Yes, year 3 is going to be really nice and interesting because we have bigger community challenges, more corporate and personal workouts, deeper coaching on fitness and nutrition, and exclusive rewards for consistent members. Yes, because this is not just fitness, it's about building a lifestyle movement. Yes, so with this, let's get started with just going through at a glance as to what all do we see further. Yes, so the first and foremost event that we see in year 3 is on 28th of September with Om celebrating his birthday the MFS way. Yes, on 28th of September 7 a.m. join us to do 45 push-ups and 45 burpees. Yoo-hoo! Yes, don't miss. We will be sending you Zoom link invites to get you on there. Yeah, next we have this Navratri. The festive season is right here, and we will be going for a Garba night in person. Yes, this event will also, the final date will also be declared very shortly. This will either be in Pune or Mumbai or both, depending on how many people love to join us. Yes, we are going to choose a weekend, so mostly around Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is say 26th, 27th, or 28th of September itself, because 2nd of October is Dasera, right? So we got to do our Garba night before that. Yes, and what's next in store is after Diwali soup and salad detox. Okay, this is going to be an online detox workshop where we will be telling you exactly what you need to eat for 5 straight days for shedding off all the festive food that you have consumed, if at all. Okay, so yes, and post that we will be taking an online soup and salad workshop, and this soup and salad workshop is going to come to you free for all those who register for the second so for the third anniversary, for the current anniversary offer. Yes, and we're going to declare exact date or the exact recipes later, but yes, this is how roughly the plan will look like. We'll choose a weekend over in October after Diwali, and after your online detox is done, we will help you to stay consistent with that soup and salad or healthy eating formula after that also. Yes, and the next thing that comes is the 21-day MFS Health Challenge. Yes, I'm sure you would have done this year. This was launched in 2025. However, we are going to revamp it and make it more interesting, make it more crisp, and make it more action friendly, user friendly, so that you can take a look at it and do those workouts, take those actions immediately for you. And yes, get consistent and kickstart your health journey within 21 days straight. Yes, let's look at what's coming next. And here in October, November, and December, straight for 3 months, we would be practicing for the marathon season. Yes, by the winters arrive, we get the marathon thing coming in. Yes, so we are going to practice with everybody for 3 months straight. Yeah, and this is going to continue in the next year also, but we're going to first look at doing this practice and do a detox workshop. This one is going to be a detox workshop in person, so I'm giving you event after event without even taking a pause in between. I'm sure you are going to register for each one of them. We will be declaring the dates and putting up the events with the related links to register for them. So just wait for these. And this detox workshop had a crazy demand last time, so maybe it's going to be a one night stay or a two-night stay. So we will declare that later. However, detox workshop is scheduled to happen in December. So keep watching out for these dates. And this is exactly what you do in a detox workshop. Yes, you go in to cleanse not just your body with fruits and salads and juices and soups, but you also do a mental detox with psychological sessions. You do a lot of deep breath work with yoga and pranayam, because you need to get yourself de-stressed and reset yourself for the upcoming year. Yes, post this, the next event is we're going to end the year with a bang, with doing a virtual marathon in December 2025. Yes, by the end of December, between 25th to 31st of December, the ideal thing that we want all the MFS members is to run 21 kilometers in less than 3 hours. Okay, that's the ideal target. But yes, you can give your best and do 5, 10, 21 as a walkathon or a running event, whatever is suitable for you. Yes, and we're going to plan the roadmap for the next year so that we start strong for 2026. We are all set with our health goals, action items, and everything there. Yes, in January, the next thing that we're going to launch is a 90-day hackathon. Yes, this is going to be one plus for the 21-day challenge, where for straight 90 days we would be getting into an intensive structured program so that you are able to break through your own systems and beliefs problems wherever you feel that you are facing challenges in your own systems, and you get this accountability space so that you are able to achieve goals and transformations for yourself, which stays with you. Yeah, and yes, the fun parts are coffee meets, treks, and much more. Yeah, we will be also launching a lifetime membership. We'll talk about this later. A glance through this, where we will have a lot of things related for us here, which is like the access to all the MFS programs, workshops, challenges, detox, online detox, workshops for soups and salads, 90-day hackathon, 21-day programs, lot of community challenges, monthly challenges, everything coming in your way as a lifetime membership program. But yes, keep waiting for this for a while, as we are going to be launching this in December, starting in January 2026. Yes, and we are looking to spread our wings by joining or reaching out to corporates and doing some more group trainings and reaching out to ensure that they are able to work on their stress areas, sitting long hours areas, so that they can get movement, get more flexible, get more agile, anything and everything that's going to help them rewire their energy levels. Yes, and let me tell you, this is a space where we have been celebrating our birthdays by adding so many calories to our friends, right? By cutting the cake, adding those parties with high calorie stuff. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. But how about we can think of using a space where we can change our birthday celebration methods to making it a trend of any activity of your choice. Like Shah has been celebrating his birthday by walking the number of kilometers of his age, 48, 49, 50. And let's see what's coming next year. Yeah. How about you choosing an area of your choice and putting up that and celebrating your birthday as the MFS way? So yes, waiting for launching this series of birthday celebration the MFS way. Yes, and last but not the least, here comes the final reveal, that the anniversary offer we made last week, saying that it is 5999, and you can add two family members. between 6th to 16th of this month, which is September 2025. This is getting extended to 6th to 26th. So last day is extended up to 26th of September 2025, and you get 3 memberships at the cost of 1. Yes, so this is just something that is going to happen as an anniversary offer. So grab it before it goes off. Yes, and we're going to add on something else, right? We are going to be donating 16% of all our earnings in this duration as food grains for the needy. Yes, I think this is something we would want to reach out as a social call. We just thought we'd like to mention this to you. So with this, are you ready to take charge of your life and get ready to join this whole tribe of unstoppable people around to get fit together from the comfort of your home? Yes. And just one last thing that I would want to share is a quote that I feel very connected to. I choose consistency. I choose health. I choose my fit sphere. That's the way I think that we're going to rewire our brain to get healthier every single day. So, with this, DM me for the links and I will share the process. How do you go about in getting your 3 membership, that is 1 plus 2 membership at the cost of 1 annual subscription, just for a limited time frame up to 26th of September 2025. So make it fast, spread this word across your friends, and let's get started getting fit soon. Bye bye.